everyone, this is Pretty from Cutie Casa, and I'm now in our factory. As you can see, this is our foam. Oh, it's green with good perfection. And you can see that when I touch it, it's not that hard and also it's not that soft. So it gives me a sense of high quality and luxury. And as you can see, the side, we use the 3 layers. Why? Because this one is for the comfortable feeling for you to sit, and this one is more softer, and this one is more harder because we use it to support the whole sofa so that it can be more solid. And also, I know it should cost more, but for our good high quality furniture, that's all worthy. So I hope that you can know we have high quality furniture. So if you want to choose the furniture, please choose us. This is Cutie Casa. We are a perfect home furniture manufacturer.